Hey everybody, if you're watching this, you probably saw my last video just going over a few basics involving darts, how to play, what everything on the board means, the distance, what have you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a game me and my friends like to call Around the World. The rules for this one are pretty simple. It's one of the favorites in our friend group for playing at bars and whatnot because it's easy to keep track of score-wise. So for this one, as you can see on the board, it goes from 1 all the way up to 20, there up on the top. And basically the idea is you have 3 throws for each turn. And to start, you aim for number 1, for example, and if you were to hit 1, then you would move on to 2, and so on and so forth up until you get to 20. And then from 20, you go to bullseye. And then I'll explain what we do once we get to bullseye. Now it's important to know that you have 3 throws. However, say you're aiming for 16. If you throw your first 2 darts and say you miss the first 2, then on your 3rd throw, if you were to hit 16, then you keep going. Your turn continues and you get to throw 3 more darts, and then you'd be aiming for 17, and then so on and so forth. And also in this game, as I mentioned in my last video, I was trying to explain how the outer ring counts for doubles and the inner ring counts as triples. That is important to know in this game. Say you're aiming for 1 and you hit triple 1. Now you're on 4, and so on and so forth. Now, what do we do when we get to 20 and bullseye? So once you hit 20, or you say you hit double 19, now you're on to bullseye. And so there's 2 circles in the bullseye. The green is worth 1, and the red is worth 2. And in order for you to finish the game, you have to hit either the green 3 times, the green 1 time, and the red 1 time, or the red, It's a very easy game to play. That's why me and my friends like to play when we go out. All you have to do is remember what number you're on when your turn comes around, and yeah, have fun.